Manual transaction module in hybrid MLM. In a multi-level marketing software or system, a manual transaction typically refers to a process where administrators or authorized users can manually record and process transactions outside of the system's regular automated payment and commission processing. To use this module, first we need to install. So let's go to settings and module option. Select the general module pool. Here you can see the manual transaction module. This module is already activated. If you need to deactivate, click the deactivate button or can be uninstalled by clicking the uninstall button. This manual transaction can be useful in various situations such as handling special cases like privileged customer or user can give bonus if the admin is preferred. In case of system is not distributed the commission, then the admin can set a commission bonus for specific users. Let's check how this manual transaction works. For this, go to the member management. Here you can see the member management. This is a member management dashboard. Select a user from here. Here I selected a random user. From the users panel, you can see the manual transaction. Click the manual transaction. Here in the commission section, you can select a commission here. From the list, you can select a commission. In the amount section, you can give the amount that to be distributed to the selected user. If you need to add any remark, it can be added here. By clicking the send button, the amount will be transferred to the user's account. You need to know that in manual transaction, the bonus or the commission is given manually rather than being automatically generated by the system. This is all about the manual transaction module in hybrid MLM.